Hello, I'm Taylor and welcome to the Atono web educational video series. In this video, we'll be talking about the activity section. There's a lot of different ways to interact with a story in Atono. In a story view, for example, I can see at the bottom of the page a list of all the recorded activities for that story, starting from the moment that story created, to any comments made, to any assignments, etc. By default, this section is sorted from newest items at the top to the oldest items at the bottom. If I'm trying to search for something specific, I can use a text-based search here using this magnifying icon. Let's say I'm looking for who this story was assigned to first. In my head, it was somebody named Kieran, and I want to ask him a question, but I can't remember if it was him. I'll go ahead and search and confirm that, yes, in fact, it was Kieran who was the first assignee to this story, so I can harass him with my questions. If I'm looking for a particular set of activity entries, I can use this filter to narrow down my search. So let's say I'm only interested in the conversation and discussion that's happened around this ticket since it was created. I can filter by the comments filter. Here I can see a less noisy view with only the things I'm interested in, a bit of a less stressful view. A lot of these activity entries will offer you more context if you interact with them. Comments, for example, will show you the full comment if you click on them. And another activity entry that offers richer information is the description. So let's say that I'm looking through my ACs, AC4A prizes or recognition should be awarded to winners. I've decided that we actually want this to be in the form of gift cards. So let's go ahead and change that to gift cards. And we see an updated activity entry down below. Clicking on that shows the exact change that was performed, who performed it, me, and the time that it was performed at. Another important type of activity entry that you may be interested in are changes to feature flag status. So if a story has a feature flag attached to it, which this one does, I'm going to go ahead and change these toggles, set this to on, and looking back to my activity section, I can see that that change was recorded just here, who recorded that change, what environment it was for, and what the new value of that toggle is. There's a lot of different activities that you can perform on an Atono story or bug. We've touched on a few of them, but they're all recorded at the bottom of a story in the activity section. You can filter for them by text-based search or by using filters. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.